This video is designed to boost your confidence, increase your positivity, and set the tone for a successful and fulfilling day ahead. Today, I embrace the potential of a new beginning. I am filled with gratitude for another day of life. The energy of the morning revitalizes me. Peace and joy accompany me as I start this day. My mind is clear and focused. Opportunities find their way to me effortlessly. I am worthy of success and happiness. Creativity flows through me with ease. Each breath I take fills me with confidence. Strength and courage are my allies today. I let go of yesterday's worries. My actions today bring me closer to my dreams. I am surrounded by love and kindness. Positive thoughts shape my world. I trust the journey of my life. Success is within my reach. I am a magnet for positive experiences. Challenges make me stronger and wiser. I choose to see the good in everything. My heart is open to new experiences. Every moment is an opportunity to grow. I am in control of my happiness. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am deserving of all good things. Today is full of possibilities. I am the architect of my life. I welcome this day with open arms. My potential is limitless. I am at peace with who I am. I start this day with a thankful heart.